do a quick walkthrough tour. Safe, closet, whole bunch of snacks, coffee maker and espresso, mini bar, a second closet. Now this is, I think, one of the older rooms. Hasn't been renovated. King size bed. I think this is a resort view room. Tomorrow morning I'll do another video of the view because it is kind of a nice view of the resort. Bathtub with this wall that closes up. Bathroom, separate bathroom, double sinks, shower, rainfall shower inside the bathroom area. Anyways, nice room. Even though this isn't one of the newly renovated rooms, it's pretty nice.
Here's the view from the patio in the daytime, so you can take a good look at it. You can see we've got a peek at the ocean out there. Nice room.